I've ordered the new exhaust. There you go. Decided to do like a POV thing because since I'm selling the bike, I'm kind of running out of ideas to like make for content. So I already filmed how the car sounds with this one. I ordered a Malian like catback. It's like they call it a Japanese boom can because that's like a Japanese boom can. Yeah. Oh no. There you go. Ew, but ew, that's crusty. Audi, good investment to get this tool. I think I got it. Just appreciate the rust. I'd rather not do that. Brilliant. What does it sound like without a muffler? That definitely sounds different. It's gonna.
What's up? How you doing?
I'm trying to install the new exhaust.
How's that going?
Actually, very smooth, you know.